Glad to be back. We have a lot of things to discuss regarding DR.LABELLA. And again, DR.LABELLA is a product set which includes a lot of things inside, which includes activator, an ampule, a brightening mask, as well as, of course, a CC cream, which is actually good for a lot of skin problems such as freckles, acne, scars, fine lines, and wrinkles. I'd like to again present to you our beautiful and young-looking guests. Dr. Jung, I'm actually wondering while we're speaking, how young are you guys? The two of you look so young. Dr. Jung.
You may guess how old I look like.
No, just give us an idea.
Of course, above 20.
Above 20, but your skin actually looks a lot younger.
Yeah.
And
But,
that is, of course, because of
yeah, of
Dr.
course,
Labella.
we using the whitening care, and then
Yes.
this kind of product makes younger.
Mhm.
Antioxidant, actually equivalent anti-aging.
Yes,
Yes.
anti-aging.
So people normally asking how old are you, and then I say my age. They always surprised. Yes, but just guess first.
Because with the way you look and with the way you dress up and the skin type, you actually look a lot younger. um, I think that my question is supposed to be, how young are you guys? How about Crizel? How young are you?
I have the same answer. I'm above 20.
Okay, let's just keep it at that. Well, I'm also above 20. And I'm really very excited in using your DR.LABELLA products. For me, of course, to look more and more, young looking like you guys. I think a lot of our televiewers are wondering already, are these products good for, children? Or teens, because that is actually also a problem of a lot of teens. They also develop acne, they also develop lines at a younger age. Crizel?
So the different types of skin, with the different types of skin types, and then also with the age, our products are tested from the age of 20s to 50s. So ages of 20 to 50 can use these products.
Ages of?
20s to 50s.
20s to 50s.
Especially for our anti-aging products.
Yes. Even if the ingredients are organic and a lot of, we're using leaves, we're also using different amino acids and hyaluronic acid. We're talking about these things already. Of course, there are certain limitations in terms of the usage of the product. And again, we have to reiterate to everyone that the usage of this one is at the start of 20 to the age of 50. Because of course, beyond those years, we also have to consider the aging process. We actually just limit the aging process, or at least give it a pause, but not necessarily, stop it. Okay, we have to clarify that to everyone. The set is actually good for how many weeks or how many months?
Okay, for continued use of the product for twice a day, the products last for about 3 months.
3 months?
Yes.
Which is not bad.
Yes, of course.
Because, these big box
Yes.
is actually good for already 3 months,
Yes.
right? And is these available already in the market, or
Yes,
do we purchase it online?
Okay, our products are available at Lazada, but you can also purchase it directly from our office. Our telephone number is 373-5862.
Very good. You already gave us the number, but we have a lot of things to discuss first. But
Yes,
it's okay.
that's
That's
very
fine.
necessary.
Thank you, Crizel, for giving us an update already. Because I know a lot of the people watching us right now are really they are very inquisitive. They also want to learn about, the whitening. Because nowadays, when people hear about glutathione or oh my gosh, this is a whitening product, we hurriedly, search for these products to, of course, get a lot of facts. Okay, I have these particular pack. This one.
This is
This is composed of. Is this the activator?
Yes.
Okay.
Actually, this is our main applicator.
Okay.
Okay, and then the two ones are our refills.
Or refills
Yes,
already.
refill.
So when we purchase an activator, we already get a refill.
Yes, we have two refills. We have one inside the applicator and then added two refills.
And the good thing about the Korean products, they're really packaged very beautifully, right? Sometimes you really don't want to dispose the packaging or the boxes because they look really pretty. And then this is actually, what particular product is this one?
That is for our activator.
Oh, this is
Yes.
for the activator already. In terms of the CC cream, we are aware of the BB cream, which was sold earlier than the CC cream.
Yes.
What is actually the difference of these two creams?
Okay, so for BB cream, that's used as a makeup base.
Yes.
But the main use of our CC cream is for color correction and then the skin tone, correction of the skin tone, or like you make the skin tone even.
Just to make the skin
Yes.
tone even.
But for our product, we have added whitening effect and sunscreen protection.
Most of the products, the Korean products that I've tried already, they're actually good for fair skin already.
Yes.
Can the brown colored people use this one? I mean, won't they look super white? Won't they look like a ghostly white skin? Is it okay, Dr.
Yeah,
Jung?
actually, you can using it just evenly apply it, then it absorbed. Eventually, the color tone make your original tone. So it
Oh.
doesn't make it very white.
So it actually mixes up
Yes, yes.
with the
yes.
skin type of the
Yes.
patient. Just a disclaimer for our televiewers, we're not actually degrading or putting up some, color to a lot of the skin types, okay? We're just actually discussing the differences. And of course, a lot of them, I guess, they're actually very, they want to know if they can use it because sometimes it may look too white, okay? But
Yeah,
it
yeah,
actually mixes
You
up.
can make it small.
Small only.
Not too much.
Okay.
Of course, when you're wearing a lot, then it's
Yes.
really white. Even for
Exactly.
myself, it's really white.
You have to spread it
yeah,
up.
Yeah. So I just make it up until absorbing properly.
Mhm.
I just pumping like that.
So we just pat it.
Yes, yes.
So everything we just pat it. But of course we can use sponges
Sponge.
also.
Yes,
Sponge.
yes. Much
But-
better use the sponge.
For the benefit of the makeup artists also, because of course they use these
Yes,
things.
yes.
In terms of especially the activator and the ampule, I guess the thing that we have to take note of these things is that with proper usage and of course with continued use, you'd be able to see results already. It's
Yes.
not just a one-time application and then you'll actually give them an idea or question that what happened? I didn't actually see a result. So just for clarification
Yes,
that we
that's
have
right.
to use it
Okay.
a lot of
Actually,
times.
for topical products, especially on the face, you cannot see immediate effect, especially for skin whitening and then anti-aging. You have to use it continually for the the period of 2 to 4 weeks for our products because it's topical. It's absorbed by the skin and not in the bloodstream.
That's a very good clarification because everything that we put just on top or the superficial layer, that actually takes a lot of time for it to be absorbed. It's not a quick fix. Of course, we have to follow religiously what has to be done.
Religiously.
Exactly. Because I always explain that to my patients. A lot of people think that when we do pat these products, they'd actually see magic. Magic. They were
There's
actually
no
expecting.
miracle like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You have to, to
Yes.
work hard or you
Yes.
have to do it
You know
as
what?
often as you can.
Effort and time and money.
Yeah.
That's the for beauty.
That's actually a combination, the proper ingredients for a beautiful face.
Yes,
And a
yes.
beautiful skin, of course.
Yes.
What's that again? Money.
Money,
Yeah.
effort,
Effort.
and time.
I have to add,
What?
DR.LABELLA products.
DR.LABELLA. Oh, yes, yes.
Of course. Do you still have anything to add in terms of the DR.LABELLA products, in terms of its, advantages over other products? Rizal?
The advantage of our products is that the skincare that it provides the users is for a long time because uh, because our skincare cosmetics focuses more on having a healthy and glowing skin rather than covering it up with makeup. But I have no issue with makeup.
Yes.
Yes. But for the long-term effect, of course, for the anti-aging and the whitening effect, we want to have a healthy and glowing skin rather than just a white skin, right? So that's the advantage of our products.
I actually want to have a reddish, a plump and a reddish cheek. So will I be able to gain that particular, the effect in terms of the product?
Of course, if your skin is already healthy and glowing, then that would come out naturally.
Wow, I love the answer. Now, anyway, we have a lot of things again to discuss after a few breaks.